Oh, yeah. Well, I guess it was meant to be, right? So I'm on my way going to a certain place and I ended up missing my stop. So then now I have to walk through the path to the location I'm initially supposed to go to, but I'm supposed to go somewhere before I go to this final location. But I just ended up missing the fucking bus stop before I go there. So I just said, fuck it. I kept going and I just got off at a stop that allows me to walk through the forest to the initial location I need to go to. You know? Yeah, I'm just fucking out here in the fucking forest and shit, chilling, cooling, enjoying the vibes of nature. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful outside. It always feels good to be in nature, you know? Listening to the birds, the wind. Each step of my feet in the fucking dirt. Everything is just beautiful outside. While drinking my fucking peppermint tea from Tim Hortons. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. They see a nigga walking through, they're like, yeah, white people kill me, bro. They always like to give that hello fucking jokes. Oh yeah, yo, if you got a little time to just fucking step outside and be in the sun, in nature, into the forest, go take a walk, just think about shit, go into deep state of your thoughts, start listening to yourself, you know, even while just walking, you'll get ideas that come to your head. You get ideas that come to your mind that you should execute on, you know? Just things that feels right, things that you've been wanting to do, it will just all of a sudden pop back up in your head while you're outside in nature walking. It doesn't have to be while you're walking in nature. It could happen at any instance during the day. Good morning. It's a beautiful dog. It's okay.
He's just a puppy, so he jumps up.
Yeah?
On people. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, the animal's loving the vibration right now. I always get that shit though. When I'm outside and shit, there's like an animal. They tend to always want to jump at me, run to me. Sometimes they even go down on their two front feet and like go down and they start making that sound to me. It happened multiple times, especially when I was with my girl. That shit happened a lot of times. And I'm like, God damn. Even the fucking animals are in alignment. I just cut off path. I'm supposed to walk all the way down there to go where I'm going to. But I'm just gonna go down here. Fuck it. I'm gonna just put in the works. I'm gonna just do a little bit of meditation before I get going there now. Pretty sure when I get there, they're not gonna be there anytime soon. So, fuck it. Who gives a fuck? I'm just putting a little bit of work down here. Get my magnetic field up for the day in case there are any Decepticons trying to come my way today. Usually there is. Definitely. Every day there usually is a Decepticon trying to fuck with me. But I'm gonna just put that shield up. You know? Well, yeah, people, fucking get outside, put in some work. Do what you gotta do.
Take a left onto the
path. My fucking GPS is telling me to get back on path. I'm not going the right path. Shut the fuck up. I'm about to meditate. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is wrong with this shit? I'm trying to put in that work, you know what I mean? Nah, I don't think I'm gonna go down that hill though, cause fuck, I'm not even trying to walk back up that shit. Fuck that. But yeah, you already know, peep. I already know, people. Love, light, and peace. Stay up, stay blessed.